Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Amazon account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon app. Now if you go to your profile and choose your account settings, here you won't be able to see any delete option for your account. So in order to delete the Amazon account, you can directly head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Close Account. Here in the search results, you can see the request the closure of your account option. Tap on it. Here in this page, you can read through all the information on what happens when you delete your account. So if you still want to continue deleting your account, tap on this close your Amazon account option. You can read through all these too and scroll down to the bottom. So here it says account closure is a permanent action. So you won't be able to reverse once you delete your account. Over here, you can choose the reason why you are deleting your Amazon account. You can tap on this checkbox over here, and after that, if you are confirmed, tap on this close my account option and your account deletion process will proceed further. So that's it, that's how you can delete your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.